Hey everybody, J. Marie here. Today we're going to be talking about marketplaces. Are you on a marketplace? So, marketplaces, freelancer marketplaces, what are they? They're websites where you can do one of two things. Either you go on and bid on projects that clients have put out there, or you put up a profile and clients find you and ask you to work on their project for them. So there's two different types of marketplaces out there. And it really just depends on your what you're looking for determines what type of marketplace you would best fit inside of. So who are marketplaces for? They're for freelancers, any kind of freelancer, whether you're new to the industry or you have been in the industry for several years. Marketplaces are a great place for you to go and find new clients. Some advantages. Some advantages of marketplaces is you have an opportunity, if you don't have a website, to put up a profile, and you can add all of your past projects, all of your information into one place, and you don't necessarily have to have a website. The people on the marketplace are already open to making a purchase. They come to the site, they already know that they need to purchase services from someone, and so they're already open to making a purchase. They often have tools that marketplaces often have tools that allow you to meet with your clients, allow you to tag your time, and allow you to submit and receive payment. So you don't have to have any additional software that you use to do those things. So those are some of the advantages. Some disadvantages. So there's a lot of competition, and oftentimes I think that's why people shy away from marketplaces, is that there is so much competition out there. You've got competition from around the world, and everybody wants to be a web designer or an online marketer or a web developer or a mobile app developer or something like that. And so you've got to beat out the competition when you're looking for new clientele. So that's a disadvantage of a marketplace. Another disadvantage is that you're limited to the projects that are on the site. And so on some of these sites, they're not as well used by potential clients or prospects as other sites. So Guru and Freelancer don't have as many projects as a website like Upwork. So you're kind of limited there to what is on the site. You're also limited to people, if you're using something like Fiverr, you're limited to people just coming to find you, and you're hoping that they can get through the rest of the competition and find your profile. So there are some disadvantages to using marketplaces. Some things to be mindful of. Some of the marketplaces require you to heavily discount your prices. One in particular is Fiverr. Fiverr has it's true to its name. It's very, very inexpensive work. And so if you're charging $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 for a website, Fiverr is not going to be the marketplace for you. If you're just getting started and you don't really have a huge portfolio, Fiverr may be a great place for you to go and get your feet wet. Another thing to be mindful of is that most marketplaces require you to keep your work and your engagement with the client on the platform. So for example, with Upwork, it's against their rules and regulations to work with a client outside of Upwork. So you wouldn't be invoicing them outside of Upwork. The money goes into an escrow account, and after the work is done and the client is satisfied, then the money is released to you. So there really is no deposit and invoicing and things like that. So if that's what you're looking for, then a marketplace might not be the place for you. So that's all about marketplaces. So tell me, are you on marketplace? Are you on a marketplace? And if so, how do you like it? What do you like about it? What don't you like about it? And which marketplace are you on? Comment below and let me know specifically what it is that you love about your marketplace or what you dislike about your marketplace. Some key things to remember coming up this month. I am having a challenge starting January 4th. That's in a few days. So you want to go over, use the link below to sign up for the challenge. You can go over to my website, check out the information about the challenge, and it's completely free. It's perfect for freelancers that are interested in getting into marketplaces or finding new clients. That's specifically what we're going to be talking about, is the best places and the best ways to find new clients. So be sure to check out the challenge. Also, I've got a webinar coming up that talks about attraction marketing and how to get clients attracted to you. So instead of going out and finding clients, how do you get clients to come to you? That's going to be a great webinar. So again, in the description box below, check out the registration link for that. And last but not least, I've got a course coming up that starts on the 19th of January, which is a Tuesday. Be sure to sign up for that. Again, the link is below in the description box. All the goodies, everything that you're looking for is in the description box below. The freebie of the week, the freebie of the month is also in the description box. So check that out, and I'll be back in a few days with another video. Thanks. Bye.